So when you cross a graded bridge, do these anxieties surface in your head? Slippery metal, wobbly front tire, gusting crosswinds, riding at elevated heights, or just falling on a cheese grater? Let's break this all down. The cheese grater effect. Would a person really be grated like cheese on a pizza? No. Think of how a cheese grater works. Slicing blades are at a narrow angle in relation to the cheese being driven across the blades. Bridge grating isn't sharp and is at right angles. Slippery metal. Yes, flat metal sheeting can be slippery when wet and can pool liquids such as oil. But consider this. Bridge grating is porous, not allowing liquids to collect. Whatever lands on them tends to run off.
Just filming the bridge, I'm paying, but can I just turn around and go right back without paying, or do I need to pay twice? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Ah, perfect.
Okay, go ahead and make the U-turn now.
Sure, grading can be slippery. Ice, snow, and fresh rain all can create a loss of traction. Snow and ice are obvious. Fresh rain? After a summertime collection of dirt and grime, yes, it can make the grading slippery at the onset. Secondly, there is far less surface area for collection of liquids, and there's way more free passage area for the liquids to fall straight through without ever even touching the graded surface. In other words, a trail of dripping matter, 75% will fall straight through without even touching that 1/8 inch surface. That which does land on the grading has no way of pooling and either runs off or is removed by successive traffic. Wobbly front tire. Actually, this is to be expected and supports the fact that your tires have traction. Your tire is gripping and tracking the groove in the pattern of the grading. Don't fight this wobbling, relax your grip and allow the bike to do what it's designed to do. Gusty side winds. If this is a concern, stop and watch the traffic patterns. Watch passing vehicles and identify the wind gusts. If the gusts are really that strong, they'll be just as dangerous for trucks. I've ridden across bridges with 30-mile-an-hour side gusts and wasn't blown out of my lane. Riding elevated heights. First and foremost, don't look down if you have this phobia. And hey, maybe this is a good time to work on that phobia. Seriously though, most graded bridge crossings have a low speed limit, so you won't be expected to cross at high speeds. You can see in this video, the Bridge of the Gods has a 15-mile-an-hour speed limit. Mostly the low speed limit has to do with heavy traffic and from stops at the toll booth. If traffic does stop, this is a great time to put your boot down and feel how much traction the grading really has. So learn to relax and enjoy the view. The worst thing you're gonna face is a toll booth at the end of the bridge. Since making this video, I saw Brett Tax has also produced a video on steel-grated bridges. As a matter of fact, he used the same bridge. Brett gives a way better technical explanation of motorcycle dynamics crossing a graded bridge, and I recommend his channel. I put a link to Brett's video down in the description. The difference between me and Brett? Well, he's a professional motorcycle instructor, and he wears a really cool hat. But I paid my bridge toll fee.